Hello and welcome to another L and N Autocare video. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing and testing out the MJJC Foam Cannon S version 3.0. So let's unbox this all together. First up we have this stylish box. Very impressed with MJJC. Both the shampoo and the snow foam cannons are very well packaged. First up we have the snow foam lance itself. It's a sturdy piece of metal and well built. Very impressed with the overall quality of it. Next up we have the attachment for the Karcher / Ava jet wash that I'll be using. Yet again, this is another nice sturdy piece of brass, plastic and very well built. Inside the bag we have 2 extra O-rings. It's nice that they're thinking of giving you extra space just in case. In here we have the tube and a different size orifice, which I'll show you later on the difference that it can make. And finally we have the bottle itself. Another sturdy, well built piece of equipment, and it's nice that they added the measurement lines on the back, which are also raised up. So overall very impressed with the packaging and the quality so far. So let's put this all together now. It's nice of them to add an extra orifice inside the packaging. This is for those that are running, say, the Karcher K2 or lower powered pressure washers. You can add this in and you can still get the consistency and the thickness of the snow foam which you desire, which we'll see a little later on. MJJC have been awfully kind to me and have given me a 10% off code. The links are down in the description below and the code is on the screen, so you can save yourself 10% off of the snow foam cannon or the shampoo or anything inside the store. For this test, I'm going to be using the MJJC snow foam. As you can see, I just use 100 ml of snow foam to 900 ml of water. As you can see here, the snow foam is quite thick, but I'm sure we can get it thicker. As I said earlier, the snow foam cannon comes with an extra orifice, so I'm going to change it over and see what the difference is. I'm going to be using the rest of the bottle of the MJJC snow foam, which I mixed up for the first test to see the comparison. As you can see from this, the snow foam, it does look a little bit thicker and does seem to cling on a lot more to the car than what it did the first time around. I thought I'd use a snow foam from a different brand. I know this snow foam is quite thick in the first place, but I wanted to see how thick it could be with a smaller orifice inside the snow foam cannon. As you can see, it is like shaving foam. It's being sprayed straight onto the car. It is extremely thick and very impressive. Just look at those results. Unbelievably thick snow foam clinging to the car, doing what it needs to do. Can't fault this snow foam cannon whatsoever, or the snow foam brand. As always, thank you for watching, and please don't forget, discount code on the screen will be here now. If you want to save yourself 10% off at MJJC, use the link below, use that code at checkout, save yourself 10%, win-win, and thank you for watching.